Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Denman Island is a charming destination located off the east coast of Vancouver Island in British Columbia. Accessible via a short ferry ride from Buckley Bay, the island is part of the traditional territory of the Comox First Nation. Nature enthusiasts will find plenty to explore, as the island features lush forests, serene lakes, and diverse wildlife. The Nature Trust of British Columbia has protected nearly 39 hectares of mature coastal Douglas fir forest on the island, preserving its natural beauty. Outdoor activities abound, with opportunities for hiking, cycling, kayaking, and beachcombing along the island's sandstone and gravel shores. Visitors can also enjoy local events, festivals, and markets that showcase the island's creative spirit. Whether seeking adventure or relaxation, Denman Island offers a unique and enriching experience in the heart of British Columbia's coastal landscape.